Hi everyone, welcome to Hamska Academy. It has been a quite long gap that we did not put any videos because you all know the Dasara festival. So we all have went back to our villages. So that is the reason why we could not make any videos. By the way, we are back now. So we'll be uploading videos frequently from now. So today I came up with the topic geography grade 8 geography topic, that is industries. So basically in this chapter we will be looking at industries. How are industries classified? How is the classification done? What are the factors that play an important role in establishing an industry in a particular location? And then we will also go ahead with the case studies. Let me quickly share my PPT. So you can see here, the today's topic is geography chapter, fifth chapter in geography, that is industries. So what are the topics that we are going to deal in this chapter? In this chapter, we are going to deal with the introduction, what is an industry, how are industries classified, how do we categorize the industries, what are the factors that are affecting the location of an industry, what is industrial system, then industrial region, distribution of major industries. These are the key components what we are going to learn about industries in this chapter. Then we're going to look at the case studies of iron and steel industry, which is a part of primary industry. Secondary or manufacturing sector, we are going to look at cotton textile industry. Then from the service sector, we are going to look at information technology as the case study. So today, let us get into the details. We will be able to make 3 to 4 videos basing on the length of the chapter. So please consider subscription and press the bell button so that you get the notifications of all my videos of the chapters. So let me go ahead. Introduction. Industries are classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. Before we get into the details, let us discuss what is an industry. So what is an industry? We should know the term of the word industry, the meaning of the word industry. Industry means the organized production of goods or services. We call industry means organized goods or production of goods is called industries. Industries are the words which are used traditionally referred to any economic activity that is being concerned with processing of the raw materials into finished goods with the help of machines and factories. With the help of machines and with the help of mechanical equipment. Now, this process of converting the raw materials into finished goods is called manufacturing. This process of converting raw materials into finished goods is called manufacturing, and during the process of manufacturing, the value is added to the good and it becomes of greater use for humans. So basically, we should understand the meaning of the word industries. Industry, in simple, in short, in one line, if you have to give the answer, it is a systematic process of organized production of goods, the step-by-step process which is organized for the production of goods. But if you have to understand in detail, traditionally, then industries is nothing but a place where the raw materials are converted into useful products using machines, usage of technology. So industry is a place where we are converting the raw materials into useful products or useful things. This process of converting raw materials into useful products is called manufacturing process. What is the process called? The manufacturing process. So industry is an organized way of production, manufacturing, conversion of raw materials into useful products with the help of machines is known as manufacturing process. And due to this manufacturing process, the products get value added for them. What is the advantage of this? It becomes a value added product. So before we get into the classification of the industries or get into understanding of the industries, we need to know the basic points. What is an industry? What is manufacturing? And what is value addition? A raw material in the form of wood pulp, we don't buy that one. We may buy it for very less cost. But if the same wood pulp is converted into a book, then you buy this book with some amount of money. So converting the raw material into a valuable product is called value addition. Here, the raw material is manufactured through machines, through a process in an industry. It has gone through some process, manufacturing process, and became a value added product. So this value added product is the one final outcome which is useful for mankind. That's where the industries play a very important role. So hope you all understood what is an industry, what is manufacturing process, and what is value addition. Please consider subscription. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.